Yeah. Are you a digital product creator? Do you create ebooks, videos, webinars, seminars, and you upload them on Google Drive and you sell them? And most times people actually get to download your product and resell them and make profit for themselves without your knowledge. Well, I want to show you how you can actually protect your digital products and make sure that people don't download them when you sell it to them using Google Drive. Once you've uploaded your products, your ebook, your videos, your documents, templates, whatever it is that you've uploaded to to Google Drive, I want to show you how you can protect it and make sure that people don't get to download it. And this also works for when you upload documents on Google Doc, right? We can actually make sure that you do this on Google Doc. Now, let me share my screen and show you exactly what I'm talking about. All right, so now I'm sharing my screen. So this is what I want to show you. For example, this is a document. This is a document. All right. So now we have this document, how to package a digital course. Let's say, for example, you sold this particular course to someone, how to package a digital course. I have several courses here and documents and stuff like that. Okay. So let's say you want to package, you've already given someone an access to this file and you don't want them to be able to download it. Now, what you do is you come over here, you right click on this document. When you right click, you see this button here, share. You click on share. Now, these are the people who have sold this particular course to, or this is not where you're coming to. You come to this very place, settings, under this place, settings. You click on it, and you would see viewers and commenters can see the option to download, print, and copy. If you want them to see the option to download and print and copy, just tick this and it will update. They can see the option to download. But if you don't want them to download your videos, your PDF, whatever it is, just untick it, uncheck it, and they would not see an option to download. Now we've changed this. Let's click on this now and see if we're going to see the option to download our documents. Now, right here, you are seeing the option to download. Hello guys, my this is actually my program. This is actually what I created. So you could see the option to download here. If someone else is viewing this, the person is not going to see the option to download this document. Okay. So that is just that once you uncheck those buttons, you won't be able to, anyone who you give access to this would not be able to download these documents or whatever files that you have. All right. So I hope this helps you and you can use this in selling your digital products. Till I see you again, my name is still Timothy Honko, and I'm that guy who shares tips and tricks to help you make money online, talk about sales, marketing, copywriting, digital skills that can help you to make money online. And I'll see you again.